Welcome to the tutorial on how to use your Decatur Proud Gmail account. From google.com, click on Sign In on the upper right hand corner. If you have a personal Gmail account, it may show it here when you go to sign in. It may also show your Decatur Proud email account when you go to sign in. If you do not have a list of Gmail accounts, then you'll just click Sign In and sign in with your Decatur Proud credentials. This is going to bring up your Decatur Township credential sign-in page, and you'll sign in with your Decatur Proud information. And this is going to bring up the Google page that we were on, except now you'll notice that you have your profile picture on the top right hand page and that it says Gmail. If you click Gmail, this is going to take you to your Decatur Proud Gmail account. Within your Gmail account, you'll have a listing of all of your emails. You'll have a listing of all of the folders that you may have created to put your emails in. And you'll have a Compose button. If you click Compose, that's going to give you a pop-up box where you can choose who you're going to send your message to. You can CC or blind copy people. You'll type in your subject and your email address. On the bottom, you click the A, and that's going to give you formatting options. You can click to attach files from a hard drive or your H drive. You can hyperlink information. You can insert emojis. You can attach information from your Google Drive, you can insert pictures, or you can make it confidential. If you don't want to send this message, click the trash can, and that will discard that draft for you. If you don't like seeing all of your folders on the left-hand side, if you go up to the left and see the 3 lines, if you click that, that will condense all of your folders so that you have just your emails in the middle of your screen. If you're a person who likes to instant message people, you can set that up on the right hand side by clicking the plus, and you can enter the name of the person who you'd like to have an instant message conversation with. To move a message to a folder, if you click on the folder and choose this folder with an arrow, it'll say move to, and then you can just type in the label of the folder that you wish to move it to, and then scroll down to find the correct folder that you want it to go into, and it will automatically put it there once you click on it. And that, in a nutshell, is your Decatur Proud email.